Oh dear, TJIF going off-road with the Zenva Dash S. Yes, trying to some off-road. Off-road. Oh yes, off-road. I cannot be too low. Look at that, the branches. Okay, we're having fun. It's about 35 degrees here. And have to go on my back. I'm sorry, the video must be ugly. Oh, had so much rain and wind. Those branches are killing me. Yeah, the wind. Yep. So we're riding on the off-road northern trail with sort of nice colors. Like that purple tree. My goodness, don't know that tree. Whoa, whoa, whoa! No speeding. Dodging leaves, branches, and with the wind. I'll raise my camera. I'm sorry. I have to go. I'm a big boy, you know. Big boy. Ah, we're about done. Adrenaline rush. Thank God it's Friday. Quite bumpy. We've got good suspension. Oh yes. Really nice here, very quiet. Peaceful. Let's follow the brown line. The brown lane. Oh my, she goes good in the bumpy bumper. Yep. Big tires, you know. Big white tires. So it's like good. Yeah, where are we? We're on the off-road trail, northern. Oh, there's an opening there. We're high now. Yeah, I think we're on a little ridge. It looks like a little ridge. Used to be farmers here, so all gone now. Okay guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Happy riding. We're going down that little mountain. Big hole. Good brakes. Good brakes. Okay. Take care guys. Thanks for watching. Happy riding. We're with the Zenva Dash S. Have a nice weekend.